Hello everyone, this is RK Air Driving. My name is Riyadh, I'm an ADI. In this channel, we're going to talk about various aspects of your driving test, like all these tips and advices about your roundabouts and other junctions, and then how do you pass your test. So today's lesson is going to be on signaling on a roundabout. When you approach roundabout, you need to try and make sure you let other people know which direction you're going towards. If you do not signal, people would not understand where are you going, or they might just simply make an assumption that you're going straight. So anything before 12 o'clock. So if you think about a roundabout, and then if you look at the top, so that is about 12 o'clock position, and you always come from 6 o'clock position. So if anything, any exit before 12 is basically left, is called as left. Anything after 12 is called as right. So anything before 12 is left. So if you're going towards a first exit, which may be on the left, you should signal left, okay? But anything from up to first exit up until 12 o'clock and including 12 o'clock is called straight. So if you're going straight or just anything before 12 o'clock, you don't need to signal. You don't signal when you're approaching after first exit. Let's say there is an exit on the left, which is first exit, and any exit after first exit up until 12 and including 12, we don't need to signal. We approach roundabout not signaling. And we need to signal left every time you take an exit on a roundabout. Even though on a mini roundabout it's different, you don't need to signal when you take in an exit on a mini roundabout, but on a bigger roundabout you must signal left. You must signal left when you take in an exit. And anything after 12 is basically classed as right. And if you're turning right from 12 o'clock position, anything on the right, you need to signal right as you approach the junction. So there is a video. I've done a video using an iPad, my daughter's iPad, to show how this signaling works. I'll put the link after this video, so have a look into the video. You might have a broader understanding if you look into this video. So today what we're going to do, we're going to try and do it practically and then look how it goes, okay? So I'm going to go into various roundabouts where we would be turning left, right, and then going straight. So just follow this video and look to see how I'm signaling. I would be also talking you through, so hopefully you would understand about your signaling. And trust me, after you watch this video, you should not have any doubts. How do you signal? Okay, so let's start the lesson then. Okay. So as we approaching this junction, so this is a roundabout and we will be turning left. So so we are currently on the left lane. So look, we're not really focusing on your lanes, okay? We're just focusing on signaling. So we'll be turning left first exit, which is on the left. So we're going to look into your mirrors and signal left, okay? And then go slow. And when we come here, we're going to look on your right is clear, and then we continue, and then we turn left. And my signal got cancelled. You can put it back on. I mean, if you're still on a roundabout, try and put it back on. But if you're about to take an exit, don't worry about this, okay? So if your signal gets cancelled, try and put it back on if you're still on a roundabout. Okay. So this roundabout, we're going straight ahead, second exit. So as we are approaching towards this junction, we are not gonna signal. We're not gonna signal, we just continue. We're slowing down. Traffic light is green, so we can continue. So we're slowing down as we're approaching the junction. There's a bit of a traffic. So we're going straight. Again, I chose left lane, but again, don't worry about lanes, okay? Just focus on your signaling. So we didn't signal. As we come here, and then we just gone past this first exit, look into your mirrors, signal left, and then carry on going, take this exit, okay? So just before you take in an exit, you need to signal left, okay? So as we go ahead, so at the next roundabout, we are going to turn right this time, okay? So we're turning right, which is after 12 o'clock, okay? So if you can see the sign, so we will be turning right, third exit. So I'm going to change my lane here, so I'm going to signal right, move on to your right hand side lane, and then continue and cancel signal, and then we're gonna put the signal back again, look into your mirrors and continue. My right seems clear, and we carry on. Okay, that's it. This is first exit, and then this is second exit, and now we can signal left and then take the exit, and there you go. Okay. So there's a roundabout coming up where second exit is on the left, okay? So if you notice the sign, which soon be coming up, okay, so we're turning left, second exit towards 813. So in this one, approaching junction, we're not gonna signal, we're not signaling at all, because if you signal left, the other road users would think you're turning left, first exit. So we're not taking first exit, we're taking second exit. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come up to the roundabout slowly. We're looking on the right and then keeping towards left, and roundabout is clear. So we're not signaling at this moment. We signal left and then take the exit. There you go. So as you can see, going towards this roundabout, again, I did not signal approaching junction. I did not signal at all. So anything after first exit, considering first exit is on the left, anything after first exit up until 12 o'clock and including 12 o'clock, we don't need to signal approaching roundabouts. We do not need to signal approaching roundabouts, okay? And if you notice the junction that we are approaching, the roundabout that we are approaching, again, you got two exits on your left. First exit is about 7 or 8 o'clock, and second exit is about 9 o'clock. So we're gonna take first exit left. So for this one, I will be signaling left because it's a first exit and on the left. So we will be turning left, first exit. So as we approach towards the junction at about 6-7 car length, we signal left, looking into your mirrors, light is green, no one's coming from the right, and then we can carry on going, keep your signaling on, and then when we are here, obviously the signal gets cancelled and we continue. There you go. Soon we approaching this mini roundabout where we are turning left. So go first exit left, and then second exit right, and then third exit obviously coming back here. So for this mini roundabout, you're gonna signal left. That's it. Okay, and then we continue and look on your right. They're turning left, so we can go. So we are approaching a mini roundabout where we are going to go straight, second exit. So you go first exit left, straight, second exit. There's no exit on the right, so just need to continue. No signal, nothing. So we're gonna have to give way to the black car, and then just continue. No signal coming off even for the roundabout. Okay, no signaling. It's like a normal junction, like as you go on a cross junction, you don't signal going straight ahead, isn't it? Okay, so mini roundabout, you don't need to signal as you go straight ahead. Okay, this mini roundabout, you're gonna turn right, so we're gonna signal right for this one. Okay, so as we are approaching, so we're gonna look into your mirrors, signal right, carry on going. The black car is gonna stop for us, and then just gonna steer and continue. Hope you like this video. In this video I tried to explain how you signal on a roundabout, especially going straight ahead. Going straight ahead, don't signal. Okay, you don't need to signal. Only signal when you come in off the roundabout, taking an exit. Hope you like this video. If you like, let me know in comments, and also consider subscribing. Please like this video and share so that other people can see. I would put my link of the other video at the end of the video, so that you can have a broader idea about how to signal on a roundabout. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.